In a concerning incident, a fire accident occurred in the Mann Mul area of Mandya, attributed to a short circuit. The incident transpired into packing section of the Mandya district Cooperative Milk Union situated in Mann Mul near Gejjalagere village, Maddur Taluk of Mandya district. The blaze, locally referred to as Agni Avaghada, was promptly attended to by firemen. 2 fire engines were deployed to combat the flames, which engulfed the packing section. The cause of the fire has been identified as a short circuit. Authorities from the Maddur police station were informed about the incident and are currently investigating the matter. The safety of the surrounding area and the extent of the damage are also under assessment. This fire incident serves as a reminder of the importance of maintaining electrical safety measures to prevent such occurrences in the future. Further details regarding the damage and the investigative findings will be made available as the situation develops.